Do I want a car that's been standing there for 14 years? I mean, what kind of cost am I looking at when I get that vehicle back? Again, technical people, please leave a comment. I'll appreciate that. Now, that is where we are. Now, after 14 years, I don't know whether the tenacity worked. But looking back, as I told you, for me in this life, probably if I consider that tenacity after 14 years will not work in this case, then for me, in my entire life, tenacity has only let me down twice. So take it from an old man. Be tenacious, man. Follow that dream, because you are probably inches away from achieving your goal, and you just don't know it. Here's the thing about this life and the decisions that we take. It's always wonderful to look back and have 2020 vision. But that's not always the case, because we are here and we have only tomorrow. We actually don't. We think we do. But whatever we plan now and the decisions that we reach, we can only reach those decisions with the information that we have at our disposal. That's also why don't ever regret anything in this life. Because if you do regret, look back on that regret and remember that when you were there and the decisions that you then made, you made that with blinkers on. You didn't know the future. You did not know what was going to happen. You did your best, considering what you had to work with. That is why you should not regret, because that decision was the best ones that you could have made given the specific circumstance. So please, live a regret-free life. Live a free life. Be tenacious and chase your dream. I'll see you in the next one.